A simulation related to the home automation in which we are going to control the light and door. The simulation is carried out with the help of a Tinkercad software. The main PCB controller, which is nothing but the Arduino board. Now we're going to see about the what are the pins which are being going to be connected, or the what are the components we have been going to use in this simulation. First, the foremost component, in order to control the light, we have been going to use the LDR. The LDR, which has been going to work on the principles of photoconductivity, where it gives the less resistance in the high light intensity and high resistance in the low light intensity. The LDR stands for the light dependent resistor. Technically, a photoresistor or light dependent resistor LDR or a photocell is a light controlled variable resistor. And then we have been going to use the two relays which will be going to connect to the two light bulbs. And then the ultrasonic sensor, which is the main part, which will be detecting the location of a human, or detects the position of a human near to the door. According to it, the according to I has been predetermined values. So according to the predetermined values, it will be opening up the door. The opening of the door with this will be carried out with the help of a micro servo motor. The micro servo motor is being connected to the pin of the digital pin 7. The ultrasonic sensor is being connected to the digital pin number 6. I think you can able to notice the pin digital pins which is being connected in the blue color wire. And then as I said earlier, it is being connected with the two bulbs and connected with the power supply. Let's start simulation and then we can able to know that how it is been working on. As the supply is been now 0, as 0 ampere 0 volt is being given. Let's give the about 640 volts. Now we will be checking out the lights. As we are changing the light intensity, according to the change in the light intensity, the the light bulbs are being glowing on. As now this condition 1 satisfies, next condition need to satisfy in the condition of the door opening. As the as you can able to see that at a particular instance, as a from 5 centimeter or a 3.6 centimeter, the micro servo motor is going to be rotated, and the position after particular limit has been set up the particular limits to turn on the servo motor towards. This is the condition which I have been mentioned in the Arduino, which is the predetermined code. According to the light intensity, the lights glows on as like that. According to the position of the particular person or people standing in front of the ultrasonic sensor, the micro servo motor gets turned on and the door opens. So I'm going to see the code in which how it's been worked upon. As the condition is been mentioned that the values are being sensed values are being printed here, as the according to the position values the micro servo motor has been working on. This is the overall code which I have been used for the simulation purpose. And then this all the whole of the simulation of this in this video. Thank you.